Kipper the Dog, Snowy Days and Other Stories, 2000 VHS. Here's the front, the spine, the other spine, the top, and the back. The episodes are Snowy Day from Let Us Know, Pig's Cousin from Kipper Helps Out, The Paddling Pole from More Play, and Tiger Shorts from Puppy Love. Warning.
At Artisan Home Entertainment, there's more than meets the eye. For movie news, videos, DVDs, and more, get the picture at www.artisanent.com.
Now we're on video cassette.
Hallmark Home Entertainment presents the #1 rated new program on Nick Jr. Kipper.
Hello, you.
The little dog with the big imagination is back on video.
Yeah!
In his latest adventures, Kipper gets Pig a roly-poly pet, meets a magic frog,
I grant you wishes.
and catches a beautiful butterfly.
You're so clever.
Whimsical, wonderful, insightful, delightful. He's Kipper the dog, now with all new adventures packed up and ready to go home with you.
Take him home, you mean?
New stories for just $9.98.
Wow!
And don't forget about Kipper's first video, also available wherever videos are sold for only $9.98.
For me, he's really nice.
From Hallmark Home Entertainment, distributed by Family Home Entertainment, a division of Artisan Entertainment.
Coming to video cassette.
This is the happiest time of year. Sing, laugh, and love.
This holiday season, meet a one-of-a-kind bear
Hello.
who discovers that being different
Why am I here? He doesn't know.
it could be that little sour pussy is the one thing
It's just that my smile is upside down. Anybody can see that.
that can make Christmas dreams come true.
Santa knows everything.
With a spirit full of adventure, straight ahead, some newfound friends,
Louis Bluey's the name. Monkey business is my game.
and a little bit of help from Santa.
I was interested in the little bear in your window.
Tangy gets what he's always wanted more than anything:
Oh, this is it. Now we're bound to get bought.
to be part of his very own family.
Do you believe this? We're a family!
Looking for a place to belong.
Jenna Elfman,
Well, you're kind of cute yourself.
David Hyde Pierce,
You better believe it, Mr. Big Shot.
Jonathan Taylor Thomas,
You can call me Bear.
Marlon Wayans.
Look at all this monkey.
Narrated by and featuring music performed by Trisha Yearwood.
Working together in every way. Oh, getting ready for Christmas Day.
It's a fun-filled adventure the whole family will enjoy.
We gotta get sold, we gotta get bought, we gotta find balance to mama somebody.
And for every video or DVD sold, a donation will be made to the Starlight Children's Foundation, helping kids' dreams come true. The Tangerine Bear,
Definitely one of a kind.
from Family Home Entertainment. Available wherever videos are sold.
Only from Home Entertainment. And now, our feature presentation. Oh Mario Kipper the dog.
They call him Kipper. Kipper the dog. The dog with the slipper. That's Kipper.